Once upon a time, in a nursery filled with toys, lived a little Velveteen rabbit. He wasn't fancy like the mechanical toys, but he hoped one day to become real. "What is real?" he asked the wise old skin horse, who had seen many toys come and go. The skin horse explained, "Real isn't how you are made. It's a thing that happens to you. It happens when a child loves you for a long time. It doesn't happen all at once. You become real by being loved until your fur is rubbed off and your eyes drop out. Your joints get loose and you are very shabby. But then you don't mind, because once you are real, you can't be ugly, except to people who don't understand." The Velveteen rabbit longed for this transformation. His chance came when the boy chose him. He became the boy's favorite toy. They played together every day. The rabbit was hugged, kissed, and slept with. His velveteen fur grew warm. His whiskers fell off, and his pink lining turned gray. He was no longer new, but he was loved. He was becoming real. One day, the boy fell ill with scarlet fever. The Velveteen rabbit stayed by his side, comforting him through his sickness. When the boy recovered, the doctor ordered all his toys to be burned. This was to prevent the spread of germs. The Velveteen rabbit, now very shabby, was thrown into a sack. He was destined for the bonfire. As he lay in the sack, a tear rolled down his worn cheek. He thought of the boy and how much he loved him. Suddenly, a beautiful flower grew from his tear. Out of it stepped the nursery magic fairy. "I am the fairy of the nursery," she said. "I take care of all the playthings that children have loved. When a toy has been loved so much that it has become real, I take it away to live among other real things." The fairy kissed the Velveteen rabbit, and he felt a wonderful change. His shabby fur became soft and brown, his eyes sparkled, and his joints grew strong. He was no longer a toy. He was a real rabbit, with twitching nose and long ears. The fairy took him to a beautiful forest, where he met other real rabbits. He played and hopped with them, feeling the grass beneath his paws and the wind in his fur. He was truly real. Sometimes, the Velveteen rabbit would see the boy in the garden. The boy never knew that the little brown rabbit hopping among the flowers was his old toy, now truly real. But the rabbit remembered the boy and the love that had made him so. Moral story 1. The power of love. The Velveteen rabbit teaches us that love has the power to transform. It's not about being perfect or new, but about the deep connection and affection shared. When we love someone or something truly, it brings out the best in them. It makes them genuinely special. Moral story to inner beauty and authenticity. The story highlights that true beauty comes from within. The Velveteen rabbit became real not by looking perfect, but by being loved and warmed. This shows us that our experiences and connections make us who we are, far more valuable than outward appearances. Moral story 3. The cycle of life and letting go. The tale also touches on the natural cycle of life. The rabbit had to be discarded as a toy to become a real animal. This can teach us that sometimes, to grow and evolve, we must leave behind old versions of ourselves, embracing new beginnings with courage. Subscribe for more heartwarming stories.